Hi everyone, it's Miss Kate and
Hi, Miss Hazel on the camera today.
today we're learning about an artist whose name is Ueli Hofer from Switzerland, and he created a piece that Miss Hazel found. It looks like he'd used buttons and tiny little tiles that he put all together to create one big piece. We are sort of inspired by him today. So what we've done is we've taken a piece of wood. This one is 6 by 6. We affixed a little hook on the back so we could hang it up later. Drew a grid and then looked at buttons to see what kind of characters we could make, glued them on, drew with Sharpie, painted the backgrounds, but I'll show you how to do that. So imagine this is a blank one. I know that this square is 6 by 6. So to come up with my 4 by 4 grid, I measured 3 inches and drew a little line, and then I did it this way for my horizontal line, made a little line, and then traced along my line. So I have to go this way so I can see it.
Oh, because Miss Kate, are you left-handed?
I am left-handed. It's very hard for me to write for things like this. Okay, so then I just drew my grid like this, and now I have 4 spots to make my characters.
We also thought it would be really cool. You could have different options.
Yeah, so here's one that has 9 squares.
Yep.
And here's one that has 16 squares. So depending on what you want to make, you could do it. You could make this with cardboard or foam core. Whatever you actually have is perfect for this project.
So you're going to need to do this. You need your base. What else do we need,
And we
Miss
need
Kate?
some buttons. I'm also adding in maybe some sequin kind of things, like I did on this one when I made the little flowers. And then we also have some yarn for hair, if you want to add on hair. We're using tacky glue that we put into this container to glue on our buttons. So, for instance, I really like this button right here. So I would take the button, and you could use a craft stick. I'm using it, I think I actually want to use a craft stick. A craft stick. Toothpicks are for little dabs, but I need a little bit more than that. I'm going to put that on, and then I'll put him on right here in the middle, and then I can make my little person.
And the good thing about this glue is that it dries clear.
And fast.
Yeah.
So I'm going to,
Oh, nice.
and then maybe make little shorts because it's summertime. Draw some land here so he's not floating around.
Nice.
And then I can add hair with the yarn if I chose to. I'll just kind of decide what sort of hair I want to have and glue that on. Maybe I want to have a tree or flowers, so I'll add on some sequins here. I can also paint the background if I want to. So you could paint it ahead of time.
That's like what we did on this square right here. We painted this square ahead of. Oh no, you did
I did it after. I did that one after because we didn't decide until then. So you could paint ahead of time and let it dry and then come back to it to add on your characters. Or you could paint afterwards, like maybe I want his shirt to be blue. So I'll carefully paint on this. Now because this is acrylic paint, if I'm going to switch colors, I'm not going to dip this into water. I'm going to just get the paint off like this, and then I can move to my next color.
Okay, and then when you're done, you can wash your brush, because if you don't take the acrylic paint off your brush, you're going to ruin your paintbrush.
And you'll be very sad.
Okay.
Okay, so everyone,
Here we go.
Ueli Hofer from Switzerland has inspired us today.
All right.
All right.
Take pictures of your work and send it to us. We'd love to see what you're up to. Hashtag Alameda Arts Fun on
Yes,
Instagram.
Alameda Arts Fun. And then if you want to look for more of our videos, we're on YouTube at Alameda Arts.
Bye,
Thanks.
everybody.
Bye, everybody.
Thanks for coming.